This is how to use Microsoft Bing image search. Maybe you come across an image or a photo that you don't know what it means. Alright, the image search can help you tell you what it is. Alright, and then still give you similar images in some cases. So take for example now, what this picture here on the home screen, I don't know what it is. Alright, what I need to do is just to take a screenshot of it. Okay, so I'll take my cursor here and then drag to cover them. All right, so I have captured this image. Okay, I'll tap on capture and I've captured it. So after you have gotten your picture, the next step you need to take is to launch your web browser. It can be Microsoft Edge or Bing here. So better, let me use Microsoft Edge. Once your web browser opens, the next step you need to take is to search bing.com. Bing.com, press the enter key of my computer keyboard. So this will take me to Bing homepage, which is Microsoft search engine. All right, look at this image search icon. Click on it. Then if you have a link to that image, maybe it appears on a web, you can paste it here for it to analyze it for you. Or if it's a picture you have, you want to take, maybe you have an object in your hand and you want to take the picture of it, click on open camera, follow the on-screen guide and snap it. Okay, Bing will help you find what the image is all about. Or you can select the upload an image option. And that is what I'm going to do here because I've taken the screenshot. So I'll click on this. This will automatically open a folder in your PC. So navigate to where the picture is or the image is. So it should be in the screenshot. So I'll scroll to get to the screenshots folder, double click on it and scroll down until I get to the image. So look at it here. I'll click on it and click on open. So give it time for it to analyze what it's all about. You can see it has shown some similarities. And here it says Black Goose, Wikipedia. The Black Goose was formerly described by the Swedish naturalist Carl Linnaeus in 1756. So first is that it has given you the name of that image you don't know. So if you want, you can read further about that particular photo. Okay, and you can see it has given us some similarities to what we search. So if maybe you want to use an image of it, more images of that particular thing, you click on it and download. And it's as simple as that. If this content helps, consider subscribing, hit the like button and leave a comment. Thank you and see you some other time.